Hi guys, I'm Mark Baskerville from Prime Time RV. I'm here to introduce you to the 3102. This is our wide body Sanibel. Let's take a look. All right guys, we're gonna start on the exterior here with the front cap. We have automotive grade paint, which is huge. It's gonna protect you from the rocks and chips as you're traveling down the road. It's truly essential. All right, so the Sanibel's electric auto level. You've got your panel here with instructions. Also have your docking lights here. All this right here, easy to access on the outside of the coach here. We're up front here on the Sanibel. I wanna open up this pass-through. This can easily be overlooked. It's just another pass-through. It's space for storage, right? Well, not quite right. This can actually go above and beyond and do some creative things for you. If you scan around and you can see over here, we have coaxial cable for TV. We've got the power outlet USB for the kids' iPads, whatever you may be doing. We have quick disconnect on the propane to where you can have a tabletop setup out here. You're under the awning. We got the doggy tied up, laying down on the carpet out here. So you can recreate an outdoor kitchen that, in my opinion, is above and beyond what oftentimes manufacturers give you with a built-in outdoor kitchen. You can recreate all that right here in this pass-through. Throw cold beverages. I might throw a couple brewskis in here. It's up to you, some Kool-Aid, whatever you want to do. But you can actually ice this down, and this has low point drains drilled in. So all that water is just going to drain down to the ground. No harm, no foul. All right, guys, so I'm extremely excited to show you the inside of this unit. But before we step inside, this 3102, again, this is our couples coach. This is our rear living room. There's a couple things I want to show you. We've made some changes. What we have new this year is this extended handle. Having this handle makes it a lot more secure and easy for the customer to step in and outside of the Sanibel. Guys, this is what I was so excited to show you. You can see we've really updated a lot, and Sanibel's stepping in to 2024 with a fully reimagined, modern, chic look. One of the ways we've done that is this two-tone cabinetry mixed with the fascia. This is the Amish-built hardwood fascia. This is actually going to be a chili redwood, and then this is Surfside Smoke in the color. And you can see, in my opinion, again, that two-tone really stands out. We also have an upgraded lighting package. This is going to have wicker hoods. This is both over the island that you can see here and at the dinette. But the main thing in the kitchen that is new and updated is going to be this subway tile. Super excited about this color and the residential look and feel of this subway tile, this backsplash that's both here and located over by the coffee station. In my mind, it just really helps Sanibel feel even more residential. It makes it feel even more luxury and makes it feel like home. What you can see here is brand new solid surface countertop. We had the solid surface before, but this is a new design that you'll see here. Same sink with everything that, again, you guys have told us you love. One of the very best features in Sanibel continues to be the 24-inch range. The Insignia, it's 4 burners, absolutely massive. You have to take a look inside because that's where you can see, wow, this is like my oven at home. I can cook a full-size turkey Thanksgiving dinner in a Sanibel. So you can see our upgraded furniture this year. We do have the option for the 2 recliners, and then we continue to have the upgraded furniture. We've had really good feedback from this material. We just wanted to update and do some different things with color that I think you'll see really pops. We do have the mission style hardwood anywhere on the cabinetry that you'll see, and then we've put a different style on the glass that I think looks really nice. I hope you agree. Don't forget about the televator. Televator remains consistent. The biggest benefit here is it doesn't have to be up, right? If we're gonna enjoy movie night, again, watching the ball game, it's great. It's on, it's up. We've got the sound bar, fireplace is roaring, everything's good. But there's going to be times where we're not watching TV and we want to run this down. With the televator down, look at all the extra counter space I now have in this coach. Again, right next to where I'm cooking. What I always picture here is a big taco bar. Maybe it's just me. I like Mexican food. I'm going to have everything laid out, salsa, lettuce, tomato, everything diced up and spread out here so the family can come through, fill their plate, and then go sit down and hang out. With the televator, I'm able to utilize this living space in a couple different ways and maximize the function of what we have here. So one of the reasons I was so excited to show you guys this Sanibel is, again, the changes we've made for 2024. There's a lot. You can see that our dining has completely been updated. The seating is amazing, a lot more comfortable. And then what we also have is hidden storage here. This drawer is going to pull out. You can see I have a ton of storage available. Also have the ability to have additional table space here in length for more if you want to put a bar stool, a high chair down at the end of the table. All right, guys, so on the island itself, you have a lot of storage. You can see there's not a ton under the sink taking space up, so you can put your trash can. You can fill these up. Tons of storage, guys, in the island itself. But on top of that, you also have behind me, you have a full-size pantry that goes all the way up. You have huge height and space, again, for anything that you may need to store. We have, again, what a lot of people are going to use as their coffee station here. So you can use this storage however you choose. You do have the awning stuff there. More storage here, guys. And then as you get around the corner, you'll see that we have our all-in-one panel, as well as a Lippert one-touch app. So you can control everything on your coach right here manually or analog, or you can go to the new school and use the one-touch app. All right, so as you walk into the bathroom, a couple big things I want you to notice. First of all, back to that Surfside smoke, the upgraded hardware that we have on the 2024s, we're super excited about that. As you can see, I've got plenty of room. There's tons of room, both within the shower. I'm not the tallest guy, I can fit, but we've got the ceiling height for guys that are much taller than me, can take a shower. The other big thing, I don't know if you can hear that, porcelain, right? Porcelain on everything that we have in Sanibel. To again give you that residential feel, whether it's when you're washing your hands and whatever you're doing within the Sanibel, we want it to feel like home. And I think you get that in the bathroom as well. All right, guys, we're stepping into the master bedroom here. Couple things that I think are really going to stand out to you. One, we've upgraded our bedding package. You can see with the headboard and the pillow, everything that we have going on here is upgraded, and it's going to look a lot nicer than what you've seen in a lot of fifth wheels within the bedroom. We're really happy with what the new style and the color of the wood looks like in our bedroom. Then you have here is a huge wardrobe, tons of space down below and on the sides here. We do have outlets on both sides of the bed here, so you're able to plug in and utilize this for a CPAP machine. Not to harp on the wide body, but that's one of the main places that I feel like you can really feel the wide body and how big this coach is sitting here. If I'm putting my shoes on, and a lot of campers, I'm going to be right on top of this dresser. My shoes basically going to be here when I'm tying my shoes. You can see here I have plenty of room between me and the dresser. So that, again, to speak about one of my favorite things and what I think is one of the most important things about Sanibel is that wide body. We have plenty of room to move around, plenty of room to put our shoes on at the end of the bed, to get around either side of the bed and move throughout the bedroom. That all speaks to wide body and Sanibel. One other thing that I didn't mention that I want to show you, we do have washer and dryer prep in every single unit that we have in Sanibel. That's going to come standard. That's not an option. That's going to come standard to every customer. So it's a luxury full profile fifth wheel that you're just not going to be able to find at this price. That's what you're seeing in Sanibel, and that's what makes Sanibel great. Hey, thanks for watching. For any more information, check out generalrv.com.